Alright guys, welcome back to Kiamichi Road Shorelines, guys. Alright guys, tomorrow night they're gonna be running same night. Tomorrow it's gonna be rainy, so guys, I'm glad I get to catch them tonight, guys. I brought my light with me, so I just wanted to, I just like bringing that with me now. So guys, welcome back to Kiamichi Road Shorelines, guys. Man, people's trying to beat the train, but the train was short tonight, so I don't see the point of beating it. So there they go, guys. On to Hugo. They didn't get much back, and so short train tonight. So my friends will get to get off early after they unload the train from unloading the train in Hugo, and they'll get to go home for the rest of the night. So I hope they get a good night's sleep, and they need it. And so there goes my best friends, guys. So guys, they're wearing the exact same thing I'm wearing. It's pretty warm out, so guys, but it's gonna get back into being cold, so I'll be wearing my other vest, and so I'd like to get another vest though and stuff, but I'll be in my blue jacket, and my vest is in the truck. So guys, thanks for watching Kiamichi Road Shorelines, guys, owned by Genesis Woman Corporations, guys. This is gonna be a short video. Alright guys, catch you guys later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching, and welcome back, my biggest railroad fans. Thanks for watching, railroad fans, and everybody who's, railroading, guys. Anybody photography trains like us, guys. Alright guys, catch you guys later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching. Kiamichi Railroad on the hot rails, owned by Genesis Woman Corporations. Woo! Catch you guys later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching. Kiamichi Railroad on the hot rails. Catch you guys later. Marshalling out. Catch y'all next time on the hot rails.